What's up guys, it's Izzeddin here from Raqmedia.com. In today's video I'll be showing you how to add a bookmark on your Firefox browser. Welcome back. So as we know all, Firefox is one of the oldest browsers on the internet and has been there for a long period of time for the different functionality it offers and the different extensions. In today's video we'll show you how to make the most out of your browser by adding a bookmark to the sites or the websites you like. This is very simple. Just head on to the taskbar of the browser in here, which is in blue. Great. Here you find Bookmarks Toolbar. Let's click on it. As you can see, we have customized the toolbar as we liked, and this makes easier for the different bookmarks that you are having. For example, you can have bookmarks for your readings, for your Facebook pages, for your blogs, for news, forums, education, etc. In order to have like this ones, just click on the toolbar and click on add a new folder. Here you select a new folder, and as you can see the folder has been created. You can name it as you want. Example, sports. Click OK, and as you can see it has rename it, and now you can bookmark any website on it. So just click and hold the link and drop it into the bookmark folder. Good, just leave it and voila. So as you can see, your bookmark has been saved successfully. Also, you can do this by clicking on this bars in here and select bookmarks. This will take you to the different bookmarks that you have. You go at the bottom, or you can also click Ctrl plus Shift plus B, and you get all the bookmarks that you have, and here you can organize them too. And that's it. Hope that was helpful. See you in coming tutorials in which we show you how to make the most of Firefox browser. Till then, this is your host Izzeddin. Peace. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it